Alright, what is up, guys? So I decided to do something a little bit different. I'm vlogging my vacation to Kansas. Forgot to make an intro, so like we're already like 5 hours in, but I still wanted to make an intro for it just so it doesn't seem so weird and bland and just footage. So yeah, I got footage of me on the road. I'm gonna show you guys that right now, cinematic style kind of. And yeah, about to head into Walgreens because I left my SD card adapter at home, and that's the only way I can get the footage off. So yeah, go ahead and enjoy the footage of me on the road.
Hours later.
Alright guys, so we've been driving for hours, like hours. I got a lot of like recording stuff done for the some of the scenery you guys are gonna see, or you guys have already seen. But right now we're by the Marriott getting some gas. I'm about to start driving, and hopefully we make it to Colorado. We're in Utah right now, so hopefully we make it to Colorado by tonight, get a hotel, we'll make it to Kansas. Yeah, so I mean, I really don't know how I'm gonna put all this together. I've been doing a little bit on the computer right now while I was sitting passenger. Yeah, so we have about 900 miles to go until we're all the way in Kansas. So like I said, we're gonna stop in Colorado. So yeah, I'm about to get in the driver's seat and hopefully get us to Denver, and we'll be in a hotel tonight, and I can start editing up stuff. All right, so I'll catch you guys when we're at the hotel. Alright, so it's the next morning. Forgot to record when we got here. I kind of just edited and went to bed. So yeah, we're heading down to Denver. We didn't make it to Denver. We just got into the border of Colorado. So we're on our way to Kansas. We're hopefully going to be there midday. I'll see you guys when we're either getting breakfast or at Kansas. I don't know. I'll see you guys in a minute. Out here in White Castle, Colorado, looking way beautiful. We got the nice plants, vegetation all along the side here. Some water. It's a beautiful little bridge here. It's looks way better than the desert does that I live in. Man, it's beautiful. We're about to head over to Denver still on the road to Denver. Haven't gotten there yet. We're on our way to Kansas, like I said. So we'll be there soon. We got a couple more hours, like 4 maybe. So yeah, see you guys when we get to Kansas. Alright guys, so we're about 4 hours away, 4.5 from Kansas. We're about to enter Kansas right now. So 4.5 hours away. We just stopped at this diner that had like a pink Cadillac right there. So we just stopped at that diner real quick, get some food. It's about 2:30. Yeah, so I also forgot to mention to you guys why we're going to Kansas. We're going to visit my sister who's in the Army. She had vacation time, so we're heading to Kansas so we can go spend some time with her, spend like a week or so. So that's what we're doing over there. Yeah, so I'm gonna finish up the rest of this drive and I'll catch you guys when we're with my sister. Alright, so we made it here to Kansas. Super humid, pretty ridiculous out here. Yeah, just walking around real quick just so I can end this off. Dude, it's gotta be the most humid place ever right now. It's miserable, but it was a really good ride here. A lot of good scenery. Yeah, pretty good time. So hopefully I got some more content coming for, from Kansas, but this was just the first one. Just kind of like oh shit, just the road getting here, what it was like and all that stuff. So catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.